I'm Chris Michelli from Best Truck Equipment. I've been here since 1996. We've been in business since 1977. Third generation family business. We service the commercial lawn and landscape customers. We service municipal, cities, schools, all that stuff. We do a lot of snow and ice removal equipment, lawn and garden, landscape equipment for commercial landscapers. So Orec came in here a couple years ago, showed us the product line in the summer. Got a good look at everything that the sales rep had. Well-built stuff, very simple. Love the features of the tracks. Love that they build a lot of the stuff in-house. They're not using supplier-made parts. Really saw an area where it could fit a lot of needs in our company, especially to make guys more productive, more profitable. And in the times we're living in now, there's no employees, so you can do a lot more with one guy versus 20 guys. And it's a piece of equipment that'll show up to work every single day. Then right away, we had seen the Snow Rhino, which fit a huge need for our snow and ice area. More and more guys are needing sidewalk machines. They can't get shovelers. This little thing with the tracks, it goes up and over curbs. It's a very simple plow. It's not an overcomplicated piece of equipment. Right away, found that need. Great place for it in our business. And the Snowbolt 2, that came out, we saw that. That's a great machine. It takes the place of your conventional snow blowers. It'll move snow a lot better. There's not a lot of moving parts. Again, with the track system, it's really awesome because they can jump curbs. They don't have to worry about uneven surfaces. Real easy machine. Two guys can lift it in and out of the back of a pickup truck too, so you can move it from account to account to account. You don't have to have the designated machine there. You don't have to crack out a trailer to move it all around the place. A guy can throw it in the back of the pickup, snow plow with it, get somebody to help him unload it, do the sidewalks, and go on to the next account. They also have the Garden Quake tiller. It's a nice rear tine, super heavy duty commercial tiller, one-handed operation. I mean, new ground, retilling old gardens. I mean, it's got powered with a Honda engine, so that's gonna be reliable. Everything about it's just stocky and heavy duty. Trailblazer transporter, super cool product. You can put a bunch of stuffed brush going through the woods. You can go up and down the hills. You know, it's easier. One man, you can haul pavers from front to backyard. If you got a backyard with a slope, you got a backyard with stairs. Better than trying to haul wheelbarrows around, mess around. You can pull the sides off. You can carry bigger things of brush, logs, sticks, wood, whatever else you got to bring up. Thing will go just about over anything you put it at. Brush rover, two-wheel, four-wheel drive brush cutter. You can do 2-inch saplings. Thing's super agile. It's low profile. You can get in and around trees. It's pretty narrow width too. At 38 inches, you can get through a lot of tight areas where you can't get through with some bigger machines or a tractor that pulls another part behind it. I mean, it'll cut grass as tall as you can put it through. The Cyclone flail mower, it's got 38 flail blades inside of it. Cut 1 3/4 inch saplings. Go through, and it just mulches the stuff up right behind it as you go and you cut. It'll cut all kinds of tall grasses, everything else. Another great thing is it's got tracks just like a lot of their other products, so it'll darn near go around anything you want to, go up different stuff, around ponds. It's real stable on uneven ground. It can go right through it. Orec's just a great company to work with overall. They offer a ton of really cool products, everything that fits the lawn and garden, the snow and ice removal. Look forward to being an Orec distributor for a really long time.